It appears that Samsung's newly launched Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition won't be making its way to the Western market. Sadly, this likely means we won't have the opportunity to experience the device firsthand. So far, we've only seen Samsung's polished renders with no real photos available until now. The good news is that we can finally view the actual Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition from almost every angle, thanks to a series of GIFs and live photos shared by ZDNet Korea. As Samsung mentioned, the new Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is marginally larger and thinner compared to the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. These subtle differences in form factor are clearly noticeable in the GIFs and the photos. The Special Edition foldable phone measures 157.9 x 142.6 x 4.9 millimeters when unfolded. It's available exclusively in one color called Black Shadow. The back panel features a distinctive stripe pattern embedded in the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, adding to its unique design. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition differs from the Fold 6 in form factor, size, and design. Samsung claims it's the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold yet, measuring just 10.6 millimeters thick and weighing 236 grams, slightly lighter than the Fold 6, 239 grams. Unfolded, the Special Edition measures 157.9 x 142.6 x 4.9 millimeters, while the Fold 6 is 153.5 x 132.6 x 5.6 millimeters. When folded, the Special Edition is 157.9 x 72.8 x 10.6 millimeters, compared to the Fold 6 153.5 x 68.1 x 12.1 millimeters. The Special Edition is wider with a larger display and different aspect ratios, 20:18 for the foldable screen and 21:9 for the cover screen, making it feel more like a standard smartphone. In contrast, the Fold 6 has a 4:3 foldable screen ratio and 22:1:9 cover screen ratio. Both phones have a metal and glass design, with the Special Edition featuring a stripe pattern and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The frame is made of armor aluminum and both models have an IP48 rating. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition will only be available in Black Shadow. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition will be available in Korea later this week for $2,036. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.